Hello and welcome to this last unboxing and first review of our last component, which is the ATI Radeon HD 7750, which is the low profile edition card, which is one of the only cards we could fit in our mini ITX build. As you can see from the outside of the box, this is a low profile version. It's 1 GB GDDR5 RAM. The G stands for graphics. You have a dual link DVI output on this card. You have an HDMI, probably version 1.3, VGA output, which you shouldn't use anyway. It's DirectX 11 enabled, which if you've heard, with Windows 8.1, DirectX 11.2 version is coming out, which you'll be able to use not only your dedicated graphics card RAM, but also the system RAM. I'm sorry, but the cameraman is making faces at this point. And finally, we have this graphics card is PCI Express 3.0 enabled, but unfortunately, because second generation i7, i5, i3 CPUs do not support PCI Express 3.0 so that they can enable it, we will not be able to take advantage of it, which is pretty minimal at this point. So let's start with the actual unboxing. As you've heard, HDMI version 2.0 is coming out in about a year or so in consumer products. Sony has already used this new version of HDMI in its brand new 3D 4K projectors. So let's start with the box. I hope this is the right side up, which, yeah, it is. And whoa, I can tell you from now, I was not expecting the graphics card to be so small. Okay, see what we've got here. So we've got a bracket, we've got our quick installation guide, which may be useful, which probably won't. You've got your CD, which you shouldn't use, and download the drivers from AMD. So let me throw this at the side, and let's make an unboxing of the graphics card. As you can see, dual link DVI, HDMI 1.3 or 1.2, I don't know what version it is, and of course VGA, which is the analog version of both of these outputs. Now, what you need to know is that dual link DVI ports allow you to go to a resolution of 1080p. That's 1920 by 1080p. Sorry, I'm a little tired. If you want to play 3D videos and you need or you're using a monitor which features 120 Hz refresh rate, if you don't have a dual link DVI, you won't be able to take advantage of the 120 Hz. So this is the actual, this is the actual graphics card, which, wow, this is difficult to get out. Ah, come on. Yay, we managed. As you can see, it's a fairly small graphics card with a fairly small fan. looks like a laptop fan. Let's take a look on the back side. As you can see, here is the GPU. You got your RAM, which I suppose that is, and of course your PCI Express connectors, which is PCI Express 3.0. So thank you for watching this early unboxing and first look of the ATI Radeon 7750 low profile edition graphics card. Thank you for watching.
Stop.